I'm in Williamstown, just outside Blackrock. It's between Blackrock and Williamstown, for those that don't know the area. Looking across at Blackrock College. And Williamstown was actually across the road, the original Williamstown. And it was all demolished in 1860 or thereabouts, when they built the predecessor to Blackrock College, the French school. So they demolished everything on that side, and it was replicated over this side. Astonishing. So let's walk down here. We're on Seafort Parade. So let's walk down here, away from the noisy traffic. Yeah, so just to recap, 1860, the French college, and then that's morphed into Blackrock College, Willow Park, that side. So we have the Martello Tower becomes visible. We're down to a dedicated footpath down here now. Oh, okay. Now, what's interesting about the Martello Tower, before the railway was built in 1836, 1834, no, 1836, 1834, the Martello Tower was surrounded by water, and it was, the base was visible. It's, this is all kind of reclaimed land, so where I'm walking now was the sea, and sea would have surrounded the Martello Tower. And as I explained, they were built in anticipation of the Napoleon invasion. I've talked about this topic. They were built between 1805 and 1807, and to repel a Napoleon invasion. And I've done quite a few videos on that, including the great find this week of Williamstown Battery, Gun Fort, down there at the mouth of Williamstown River. So this footbridge and that wall is the location of the former Williamstown Railway Station, only open for a handful of years in the 1830s. A lot of halts were open. There weren't technically stations as we know now. So just walk up past the Martello Tower. So it's buried. There's quite a sizable, so you can see the stonework there. And so quite a chunk of it's buried. This is a double tower, 24 gun powder. So this is one of the biggies. So the water would have come up to that wall there. The wall dates back to pre-railway times. So when they built the railway, all this area along here would have been the swamp. And I don't know what they're going to do. Here we have a dart now. There's the seawall. Looking back on the tower and where the Williamstown station was. There's quite a bit of local history there on the seawall. So the tower is the oldest object around here. 1805 to 1807, then the seawall and the railway station in the 1830s.